So how that would work is, you're going down here now, it's a dual carriageway. When we're getting towards a junction, it goes back, no overtaking, single lane. And then the second lane comes by the means of the slip road. So no one's ever in each other's lane, are they? It's quite a clever system. Seems all a bit alien at first, but when you work out why it's done like it is, it makes sense. Like now, look, it's saying there's arrows, get over. No overtaking. Now it's back to single carriageway. So we'll go down here a minute, and then a second lane will appear on the right hand side, which is obviously the slip road. And if there's nothing there, you move over. Brilliant system. Don't change. That's why I waited until let the taxi through. Well, dear viewer, we don't know what happened here, but we got from Holland into Germany with no notification whatsoever. No official border, obviously, but we expected some sort of sign saying welcome to Germany or whatever. Nothing. We just realised place names and towns were suddenly German. Gotta be honest, a bit disappointed. I was hoping that, you know, we could do the itchy boot style welcome to Germany kind of thing, but anyway, here we are. Weather's still great, roads are fantastic, and we've just been discussing off camera the roads over here in Europe so far are, they're like, honest to God, they're so smooth. We've not seen any potholes, that's not even one. The roads are just such good nick. It's embarrassing really that ours are so bad at home. We've noticed the windmills, the energy ones, they've got red bits on, which we haven't seen anywhere else. I thought that's a German thing. I'll try and show you one when I get close enough. Here we go, right in front of us, look at that. You see the red tips on them? Just fancified them a little bit, which is cool. So we've been travelling now, we're coming up for 2 hours, nearly 2 hours we've been on the move today, and we're covering good distance. The roads have been clear. In fact, that's another thing that we've noticed. We've not been stuck in a single traffic jam since we've been here. You know, sometimes you'll see 2 or 3 cars and that's it. So touch wood, I mean, that carries on. It's been great. We're 1 hour 40 minutes away from our next destination, which I'll keep secret for the time being. Well, yeah. So our first German village, town, whatever you want to call it. They're high on the solar panel business in Germany, aren't they? Obviously, that keeps it. Yeah, man, they get the sunshine. I mean, I don't know. Somebody who's viewing the channel that has solar panels have to explain that one, but I can't understand how in our country you get enough power through them, because it's grey and overcast all the bloody time. Surely they're not giving as good. I'll tell you what, the map's showing roadworks here, and it is. It's pretty accurate, that. Yeah, we're kind of going right. Yeah, we're going right then left, just to mix it up a bit.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free of charge and it helps the channel grow.
Just follow these guys. Yeah. Oh, look at this traffic jam. First one we've seen since leaving England. A Lidl. Kraftwerk. Do you remember the band? She's a model and she's looking good. Yeah. Yeah, they are German. Another place, I think Europeans just are on it with bicycles, aren't they? We're behind us. End of the day, it keeps you fit. It doesn't cost you anything, it's free fuel. No, I mean, I'll be honest, I'm not going to lie, cyclists, some of them in England, they get on my nerves because they hold traffic up, they go two abreast and all that. But that's because the infrastructure is not in place from like it is here. Like, look, cyclists, they're up there. They're 20 feet away from main road. They're just out of your way. And, you know, back home, they're bloody holding traffic up. So they've nailed it here. Can't roundabout. Happy fella, isn't he? Oh, she's obviously electric, she's not pedalling. Cheat. Just double checking every lane and every junction because you have to. Munster. What's that coming over the hill? Is it a Munster? Well, we've got 80 kilometres to target. Rezenbeck, Saarbeck, Rhine, Munster, Greven. Probably pronouncing them all wrong. I'm sure there's anybody who does German on my channel, they'll put us right. Are we speeding or something? I'll just back off a bit. Probably some law against riding on someone's bumper. I'll give them some space. Maybe it's just if you drive Fiats you've got to go slow. It's a rule. Yeah, so we just pulled over at Espinoff. Somebody's having a sneaky. Thought I'd gone behind there for a pee, but you know. Yeah, we're a bit disappointed that we've gone from Holland to Germany without a single sign. I'm going to look back on the footage, so by the time you get this video you might have been edited in, but I'm going to check. Maybe I missed something, but certainly we didn't see any obvious signs anyway, so I'm a bit ashamed about that. I wanted to, I don't know. I hope it's not like that in every country we go into. It'd be disappointing. So we're here, as you can see in the background, we've got a McDonald's, Burger King, Arel. Put all the stuff on in the top box to charge today after all my special wiring in my box and forgot to switch it on. Hey, what an idiot. You know, I said in Holland it was exactly what I expected it to be. So far, Germany's not been what I expected. I don't know why, I just expected it a bit... Yeah, yeah. a bit more German. It just feels like... You know, apart from the driving on the right hand side, it feels like you're in England. Only it's sun shining. Apparently it's chucking it down at home, that makes me feel better. So we're here in glorious sunshine and they're suffering with a rainy weekend. I'll tell you what, we've had some rainy weekends at home, it's ridiculous. Say it's bloody summer. I wonder how many people from Britain have come over here whizzing around, got a speeding ticket and used the excuse, oh sorry, I thought it was 70 miles an hour. I bet it's been done, it's got to have been done. Oh, should have gone left there. No, just leave it, let it reroute. Rerouting now. Yeah, I've got 3 power banks plugged in and charging. So it'd be interesting to see how much you can charge on a short ride. I mean, I'm saying short ride, a couple of hours. I don't imagine they'll fully charge. They do take a while. They take a while at home plugged in mains, so I can imagine running off the engine. I mean, the engine on the bike can only put out so much power anyway. I mean, I'm charging 3 power banks and a GoPro camera at the moment, so... Is he definitely turning? No, oh yeah, but that's dodgy, isn't it? They turn across you, not in front of you. I could have gone then, do you know what I mean? That's something I'd not thought about before. You see somebody turning as they slow down, you think, oh, definitely turning. They normally turn in front of you at home, don't they? You could come unstuck there. Apart from this guy here. Are you going round him or not? It's a bit of a dodgy manoeuvre. What's going on? He's letting him out of there, isn't he? Oh, he can't overtake for oncoming traffic. Set off again. And he's realised now that he was blocking traffic. Traffic's a lot busier in Germany. I've noticed that, you know, there's constantly a car either front or behind here. Well, it's still not as bad as home, but I think Holland's a one-off.
In this video, we've travelled from our imaginary border, imaginary because it's not where we imagined it to be. We travelled across various roads and various scenery, making our way east towards Bielefeld. In the next video, we pass a park that is named after the town we come from back in the UK, after which we turn south and head towards the infamous Morna Dams.
So this is it. We're in Rochdale Park. Who's been to Rochdale Park? Automatic subtitles. So apparently you can just put that on and obviously tell it English.